Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we briefly discuss the key features and specs of Boya Mini. Also included were connections to different devices and audio tests. So without further delay, meet Boya Mini. Boya Mini is currently the world's tiniest wireless mic. Inside the case, you will find the receiver, the transmitter, and another transmitter. Take note that the transmitters have no magnets, but have clips to secure it in place. You can wear it anywhere, matching your outfit, capturing sound naturally and discreetly. The charging case is as small as a wireless earbud. It is a 2.4 GHz mini wireless microphone that fits comfortably in your pocket. Its streamlined design fits seamlessly with your clothing, offering a weightless feel that makes it perfect for your recording anytime. Being tiny means Boya Mini is extremely lightweight and portable. The receiver weighs 2.6 grams, the transmitter 5.1 grams, the charging case is 33.5 grams, and everything weighs only 46.3 grams. The biggest advantage of using Boya Mini is audio quality. The built-in microphones on mobile phones are fine for casual use, but often struggle with sound clarity. Background noise and distance can reduce the audio quality. Wireless microphones are made to capture clear audio. Boya Mini has a noise cancellation feature, which makes your voice sound much clearer. Hear the difference on this sample audio. This is a test recording with phone microphone. This is a test recording with Boya Mini. Boya Mini has an intelligent noise cancellation feature. To activate, press the NR button on the transmitter once to enable or disable noise cancellation. Then single-click the blue NR button on the receiver to cycle through 3 levels of noise cancellation. Equipped with a built-in DSP chip, Boya Mini provides 3 levels of noise cancellation that you can easily adjust to fit any setting. This is a test recording with Boya Mini. No noise reduction. This is a test recording with Boya Mini. Noise level reduction 1. This is a test recording with Boya Mini. Noise level reduction 2. This is a test recording with Boya Mini. Noise level reduction 3. Boya Mini has an AI voice changer for versatile tones, making interactions more entertaining. The mic features 3 voice changer modes that make your voice deeper or smaller for fun, creative sound expressions. Double-click the blue NR button on the receiver to cycle through 3 voice changer modes.
This is a test recording with Boya Mini. Deep voice.
This is a test recording with Boya Mini, chipmunk voice.
This is a test recording with Boya Mini, normal voice. The receiver plugs directly into your device with no complicated setup. No Bluetooth, no app required. Perfect for beginners to enjoy high-quality audio right away. For mobile phones, plug the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically, and once the blue light becomes steady, recording can begin. For Insta360 Ace Pro 2, remove the camera's USB cover first. Then plug the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically, and you can see a moving green bar at the top of the screen. For DJI Packet 3, plug the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically, and you can see a moving green bar at the top of the screen. Each transmitter runs up to 6 hours on a single charge, extendable to 30 hours with a charging case. Enjoy long battery life and reliable performance without fretting over battery level during live events. With its tiny size, impressive sound quality, and a very low price point, nothing beats Boya Mini. This wireless microphone is a great choice for content creators, offering a compact and easy-to-use solution for vlogging. And it is compatible with Insta360, DJI, iPhones, and Android devices. Overall, this compact microphone delivers outstanding performance, making it an excellent value for anyone serious about quality audio in their recordings. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.